This is LENOVO Tab M9, and today I will show how you can install the Opera browser on this device. So first step is to make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. Also, log into your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, tap at the install button in front of it, or you can also initialize its installation directly from the app info page. Once the app is downloaded and installed successfully, we will just go ahead and launch it and perform an initial setup procedure. So first you gotta tap at the blue continue button. So here it is, or actually never mind, in tablets for some reason all the setup steps but the last one are getting skipped. So the last step allows you to customize the data collection preferences, so you can either do that or allow everything that the Opera browser is asking for, and well, start using it respectively. So that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.